Welcome to tonight's bedtime story. Find a quiet spot, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Let the day slowly drift away as we take a peaceful journey to a riverside village where a young boy named Kabir follows a dream that everyone said was impossible. Tonight's story is about courage, patience, and how hard work can turn even the wildest dreams into reality. So snuggle in, relax, and let your imagination flow with the gentle waves of the boat made of dreams. In a small village near a wide, quiet river lived a boy named Kabir. Kabir was 10 years old. He didn't have a bicycle. He didn't have a mobile phone, but he had a dream. He wanted to build a boat and row it across the river. Now, this wasn't just any river. It was big, deep, and full of strong waves. "That's too hard," said his cousin. "Only grown-ups row boats," said the fisherman. "Why don't you play cricket like the others?" asked his teacher. But Kabir kept thinking about his dream. "I don't want to ride a boat. I want to build one." Every day after school, Kabir went to the riverbank. He watched boats come and go. He looked at their shapes, their ropes, the way they floated. He made drawings in a small notebook. Then he started collecting things: old wood pieces, ropes, empty cans, plastic bottles. People laughed. "Is he building a spaceship? That'll sink in 2 seconds." But Kabir smiled and kept working. He used nails from a broken cupboard. He asked a carpenter for leftover wood. He read an old book in the library about how boats float. He worked every single day, even when it rained. He covered his project with plastic, waited, and returned the next day. He made mistakes. One time his boat tilted and fell apart. But he started again, and again, and again. After 2 whole months, his boat was finally ready. It looked strange. It had odd colors, plastic at the sides, and a flag made from his old t-shirt. But it floated. One early morning before school, Kabir pushed the boat into the river. His heart was beating fast. Would it float? Would it flip? He took a deep breath, stepped in, and picked up the paddle he made from a broken table leg. Slowly, gently, he rowed, and the boat moved. Not fast, not fancy, but it moved across the river. People from the village came running. "Is that Kabir, his boat actually floats. He really did it. Kabir smiled and waved from the river. Water splashed gently as he reached the other side. Later that day, even his teacher came to see the boat. "You built this yourself?" she asked. Kabir nodded. "It took time, but I never stopped trying." From that day, Kabir's boat stayed near the river bank. Kids came to see it. Some wanted to sit in it. Some wanted to build their own. Kabir became known as the boy who built his dream. And he still says, "It wasn't magic. It was just trying again and again and again." Moral of the story: even if your dream seems too big, you can reach it with small steps and big effort.